In this video we're looking at the new feature in SDA 515, the log parser plugin. This is a very powerful plugin and we're going to demonstrate this in a generic process for now, just for sake of speed. So firstly let's mimic a typical process. So under scripting I'm just going to generate a shell step that simply creates some output. Because I'm running under Windows, I'm just going to use a series of echo commands. And we're now going to use our new plugin, which is available under Utilities Log Parser, regexp search. This is a powerful plugin, and it utilizes another new feature in SDA 515, which is the previous step property. So this property here will basically address the log file that was generated by the previous step. And we're going to set up some rules, so we can set up multiple regular expression rules, which I'm basically going to just paste in here, which will search for a rule or a mess, which will search for or a dash and then some digits, and we're going to look for some error and warning messages. More information can be found on the online help. We're going to group the output by the actual rule, and we can set the output as well. So I'm going to leave this as the defaults. Another new feature is the ability to upload attachments onto process steps. So here under SDA artifacts we have the upload step attachment. So I'll generate an attachment name of output parsed.txt. Spell that correctly. And we're going to attach this to a particular step, in this case the shell step, the initial step. I'll go ahead and save that, link all our processes together to make a process flow, all the steps together to make the process flow. We'll now save that. Now let's run our new process. So we're submitting the shell step initially. This is the step that generates the output onto the screen. That's been successful. Now running the regular expression search step, and here we can see that the each one of the rules has been fulfilled. It's found the previous log file from the step that was generated previously. Let's pick that up automatically, and here are the outputs for each one of these rules. And finally we have the upload step attachment, and what this has done is this will create a new attachment on the shell step, which we can see here. And the file was called output parse.txt. If I look at that file, we can see that the parsed output has in fact been made a clickable artifact on the shell step. This is a very quick overview of the log parser plugin and a couple of the other new features within 515, which expands and makes for a very powerful log parsing mechanism that's now available in 515. Do take a look at the accompanying document to this KBTV video. Thank you for watching.